Premises with privileges. Yeah, so in front of us we have different products. We chase as an enterprise, we manufacture this of different detergents. So in front of me I have a few detergents. As you can see, we have Hanson, we have hair shampoos, we also have pine gel, we also have dishwasher, we have gel killers, toilet cleaner, laundry soap, we have also garden towel cleaners, we also have oven degrees of this fine. Our main product, we also produce this disinfectant, which we call it black bound. This is disinfectant for your reuse toilets. So most of our products are actually volcanic products, meaning made of 60% chemicals, and most of the 40% are all organic materials. You're looking at this hair shampoo. It's actually made organic from Alvela. Yeah, so this one will actually remove all the dandruff from natural hair. Yeah, so all those who are having cornrows, you can use this product. Yeah, also our hand soap has a very natural scent, as well as our pine gel. Yeah, this will actually make your grounds in your offices or your home grounds to be looking smarter. That means it also give it a natural scent, as well as the tiles will look more shiny. So this product can go along with the towel and grounds removal. So if you're using these two products, you are certain that your grounds or your house is looking perfectly smart. This one will actually remove all the stains. And if you were having a construction, you were inserting the tiles in the house, the ground will be removed by this product. But as I've mentioned already, these are all semi-organic products. We do offer other services like disinfecting offices. But all our products, we are manufacturing them by ourselves organically.
If you're done.
why we are here, right? We have a lot of parasailors, we have hotels.
Where are you located exactly?
Come again?
Where are you located?
In Canning. Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay.
Come again?
Okay. I'll get your numbers. I need to make a documentary for you guys from your site. Yeah, it has to. Yeah. So oh, they're from Blantyre. So I can find you in Blantyre as well. Okay. That was saying stand yanu ibaliza bwino zanye Malawi. Mwenina miza inu. Okay. Alright, I'm on Malawi Batu channel, YouTube channel. So Malawi, abudiro anzani ndo abed and hena mango kala magomomo. Okay, I don't follow what says I'm sorry nene. Blantyre ntanga kubese ne ba. Okay. Kaya tinga kubese ne ba dibo Blantyre. Cause ife ayitha exploiter. Bali shop yo.
Mano shop tinayo Blantyre wa free market.
Okay. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright. Izi tizokongola bese.
It's unadi.
ndaona mabuku amufulokotera.
Apa pali mabuku osiyanasiyana amene mukuonawa. Awa ndi mabuku amene amaphunzitsa makamaka kunoko ku Malawi kuti anthu azikhala ndi moyo odziwa kuwerenga, kuthandiza kuti munthu akhala m'masukulu azitha kuphunzira bwinobwino. Kwambiri ndingati ndi mbali ya education, kukuza kapena kuthandizira kupititsa maphunziro patsogolo. Ndithudi.
Sa Malawi ili kuona mabuku wandako nkuno kapena uli amalemba mausa akwina kwake.
Mabukuwa ndimakhala ndi mausa ako nkuno kumadzulo ndagulitsa kwambiri adithera mausa ako nkuno, komanso ena amakhala mausa akunja amene machita kuyitanisa kuti abwere. Pacho kuti kwambiri mabuku ngati amakonda kwambiriso masukulu amene ali ayi ma international school. Then mayitanisa chifukwa cha ma international school kuti ndizitha kuthandizira kuti maphunziro ma international school ayendeso bwino. Komanso mukati muone ndili manovel awaso amatithandiza ndi makondo pia no ma college ma university. Ndi amakhala ngati akwathandiza chifukwa kuti makhala ndi ma inspiration books, ma non-fiction, ma fiction, ongothandiza kuti basi maphunziro apite patsogolo kuno kwathu ku Malawi.
Aizofunika. Is this coffee? Yeah.
Yes.
Tell us more.
Yeah.
Where can we?
Malawian. We are growing it in Calabria, and the final production is done here in LIlongwe, area of
Okay. It's sent everywhere.
Yeah. You can find it in supermarket, Bingu Empire, ShopLife. Can I?
Once again. I was in the other one, but you can still but you can still explain because I have two channels, YouTube channels. So the other one I'll put on the other one, and this one I'll put on the other channel.
Which market?
It's YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Linka wine.
The floor is yours.
Yeah. Made in Malawi. Using different local foods. We have mulberry, we have chambula, we have peach, white guava, plum, different varieties. Yeah, and it's 7.5% alcohol.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
We buy from local farmers our fruits. We believe in helping our community. That's why we buy from local farmers.
That was my second question. So you have already responded.
Yeah.
I thought like you wait for South Africa to send you apples or what?
Yes, yeah. This is the 2021 wine. This is you can get 2020. So we only give the best of the wine to our people because they value our customers. So we believe to give them the best.
Okay, let me not take time for you guys because